So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. The stylist mixes in some bangs and cuts the hair into more of like a traditional bob cut. Beautiful, and he did do a short kind of mini bob style for this one. This is absolutely gorgeous and right on trend with all of the bob styles that we are seeing this season. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. Here we have another bob haircut with bangs. Another gorgeous mini bob variation, very nice. And then we see this Pixie haircut. So it looks like she kind of just went in for like a little touch up. Oh, so he is cutting the hair into more of like a mullet with this one. Wow, I was not expecting that. Absolutely gorgeous. Love this shape and the texture that he created. And then we have someone else rocking a Pixie style here. And she also got a mullet variation. Beautiful baby bangs and bright orange hair color. Very pretty. I think it's very interesting how the mullet has been trying to make a comeback for like the past, I'd say 3 years, and I feel like it is now officially in style. So here we have another haircut featuring bangs. Stylistic, kind of like a wavy, crimpy style texture for that one, crimpy style texture. And then we see another mini bob with some beautiful purple added. This is a very chic and effortless bob style, very low maintenance. And I think the pop of color is just so much fun. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone who decided to go bright blonde, getting some nice face framing, subtle highlights added as well. Beautifully done. So next up we have another salt and pepper transformation. Looks like the stylist is doing a nice pixie shape for this one. Oh, very nice. Her hair is so thick and full. Gorgeous. And then we have another pixie style here. She has more of like an ash blonde for the color. It almost looks like she might have a small baby mullet for this look as well. She does have some hair there going in the back. Yes, very pretty. Hopefully we get a 360 view of this. And then we see someone with long curly hair. She has a really pretty curl pattern. So the stylist does a big chop for this transformation. And ends up cutting the hair into a beautiful pixie style. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.